Strategies for God's Mission for the week of Sunday, August 24th. Please see your bulletin, allen-temple.org, the Allen Temple email newsletter, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, the Narthex Information Station, as well as the Courtyard and Family Life Center lobby ministry tables for details on the following events and more. Today at 1:30 p.m. in the Family Life Center, join Deacon Denise Smith as she debuts her first book, Rags to Real Estate, a memoir of her life's journey. Enjoy light refreshments, meet the author, purchase your copy of the book, and have it signed. Allen Temple Health and Social Services is sponsoring a job preparedness workshop on this Wednesday, August 27th at 10 a.m. in the Family Life Center Mary Morris Room. Get important information and skills in order to land a new or better job. See your bulletin, the e-newsletter, or the church website for more details. Be blessed by an evening of worship through songs sponsored by the Allen Temple AIDS Ministry and the Ushers, Nurses, and First Responders Ministries at the Dr. Robert C. Scott Memorial Concert on Friday, August 29th at 7 p.m., honoring Dr. Scott's memory and benefiting the AIDS Ministry's local, national, and international ministry work. This not-to-be-missed worship experience will feature musical guests, the Vakani Mawethu Choir, the Oakland Interfaith Gospel Choir, Derek Hall and Company, and more. To purchase tickets, visit the Family Life Center lobby after worship, or see your bulletin, the e-newsletter, or the church website. The Christian Education Ministry and the Sunday School Ministry are excited to announce a special Sunday School elective class series for the month of September toward Christian maturity, facilitated by Reverend Dr. Eunice Shaw, which focuses on practical lessons for Christian living. The class will meet during the Sunday School hours starting Sunday, September 6th, and run all 4 Sundays in September in Family Life Center Room C208. For more information about our Sunday School ministry, where we have classes for all ages, visit the church website. Men of all ages are invited to a weekend of refreshment at the 2014 Men's Retreat, Friday, September 12th through Sunday, September 14th at Redwood Christian Park in Boulder Creek, featuring keynote speaker Pastor Larry Austin, pastor of City Missions of Oakland City Church. Discounted fees are available through today. Also, the United Men and the Man-to-Man Young Adult Men's Ministry invite boys and men 13 and above to an afternoon of fun, fellowship, and softball at the Men's Night Out Afternoon Edition on Saturday, August 30th at 1 p.m. at DeFremery Park in Oakland. For more information about Men's Night Out, to register for the Men's Retreat, or to sponsor an attendee, visit the Courtyard after worship, or see your bulletin, the e-newsletter, or the church website for details on how to contact the United Men's Ministry. The Leadership Institute at Allen Temple will hold their fall semester orientation on Saturday, September 6th at 9 a.m. in the Family Life Center. Certificate programs and individual courses in the classroom and online are available toward certificates in Christian ministry and civic engagement. Also, interested persons may learn more about the Emerging Leaders Program, sponsored by the California Endowment. For more information, see your bulletin or visit the church website for details on how to contact the Leadership Institute. These were your strategies for God's mission for the week of Sunday, August 24th. Please govern yourselves accordingly. Read your bulletin, see the e-newsletter, and visit allen-temple.org and the Courtyard and Family Life Center lobby ministry tables after worship for more upcoming events and activities for people of all ages and opportunities to serve. See the front of your bulletin to learn how to join the conversation with Allen Temple, Senior Pastor Smith, Assistant Pastor Thompson, and the pastoral staff via Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram, and remain prayerful for the success of each ministry and event.